In this video, you'll be seeing us unboxing furniture, setting up our new couch, giving hauls, cleaning, and organizing. So we started off this day by unboxing our TV and just like organizing everything of where we want our dining table to be, our couch to be, measuring everything that we saw online, and just making sure everything was good. We were having trouble with putting the TV up on the wall and we just didn't put it up that day. So we are about to leave and I want to give you guys a update on everything because I've literally just been filming but I haven't been talking because it's just so much to film and like talk about. So I can't even think, but I'm gonna give you guys an update because today we went to Home Goods. We also went to City Furniture to see if we could buy furniture for like the dining area. We didn't really find anything we liked, and we also went to Rooms to Go. Didn't find anything we liked either there, but we found some things at Home Goods I want to show you guys. But first of all, I didn't even talk about this. This is going to be at our wedding, but we just brought it to the house and we're going to keep it like after the wedding, and I think it's so cute. I thought I was going to get black, but I guess I chose last minute to get gold, but honestly, still really cute. I don't know if I'm going to leave it here, but we're not going to have it until after the wedding to like put it up and stuff, so I'll figure it out after. But I got it from Walmart. I think it was $155, but I'm pretty sure you can find it cheaper on TikTok shop. So here's the office. We put up this table last night. It was like super late, but we did that and he mostly did the work. We just have to find chairs. We got these from IKEA. I had this in my room before and I think it's like so cute to put storage in and just to like decorate. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in here or if I'm gonna put it in our room. We got these trash can bins from Home Goods. He got like a gray one, like a dark one, and then I got like a white one. So we just both have one on each side because it doesn't like reach up to the wall, but it's totally fine. Like we have some space for trash and stuff so it won't get away. If we didn't have that, we would put it over there and it would be in the way with a chair. And here obviously it's like a huge mess, but I'm definitely gonna organize this, maybe get an organizer, like a closet organized to organize all of that. And then here is the bathroom. So I got this curtain from Home Goods today, but we didn't get like the little rods thing to hang it up. Yeah, we also have to get the other part of this, but this is the guest bathroom. I don't feel like anybody's really gonna be taking showers here yet. Also, I forgot to show you guys that we got little Mel here and she was so happy to be here. So cute. You guys see there's tape on the floors. Basically the couch is gonna be this long. We just wanted to measure how long it would be to see like where we should put the TV stand and the TV on the wall, so it's not like more over there and the sofa is like over there. Last night we built this TV stand and honestly it looks really cute, and today we unboxed the TV and we're gonna be putting the TV back up in like 3 days or something like that. So it's gonna be really nice to have the TV on the wall, and then we're gonna get our sofa in like 3 days. You guys are probably gonna see it in this vlog. And then in our room we put this light up. You can't really tell on camera, but it's just like a little big light bulb that I got from IKEA. So now we have light in here. I brought my mirror from my room and I'm basically gonna order another one and then put it on that side of the wall and then this side of the wall, so it's gonna be like on the wall of the nightstand, and our bed is gonna be in the middle, so it's gonna look really cute because I don't know what I'm gonna put on this wall. It's just like really a lot to think about. And this is our bathroom. Nothing has really changed in here, honestly. Everything looks the same. I didn't really get anything. I'm gonna start doing like some organizing in our bathroom so that it just looks better. I'll probably do like a separate video on that. Oh, and also I want to show you guys what I got from Home Goods too for the kitchen. I got these measuring cups. They're like light pink. They're really cute. You can see it better. I also got this toaster in the mail today. I got it from Walmart, and isn't it the cutest thing ever? Like their touch screen, and then it has frozen, bagel, gluten-free, and then you can like change whatever, I don't know, but I thought it was cute. And then I also got the air fryer version of that, and then I also got this little vase from Home Goods so I can put like flowers. So the next day we received our bed and it actually came in so fast. I got these off of Etsy, you guys. If you're thinking about getting this bed, definitely get it because it is so easy to set up and it's so perfect. Like it matches with anything, and I just think it's so simple and minimalistic. So we just got to the house and we're here for like the sofa delivery. We're super excited to receive it. We're actually like a couple minutes late because we went to go to Starbucks and then pick up something, like run errands. So the guy was like, called us, and we were like at Starbucks and he's like, are you guys here? Now we're gonna set it up. It's like super easy. I got a cloud couch, as you guys like know. It's like super popular. Is it comfy?
Yes. Smell it.
Look, she got her legs out. It's Mela proof.
Oh, I'm sleeping.
Stop, this is so comfy. Bro, this is like better than a bed. Like actually, get it because it's worth it. We got it from City Furniture. I can literally sleep here. Here's the aftermath, but we're gonna like throw everything away. And I forgot to bring like a little blanket so I can make it more homey. I wanna get pillows or something to decorate, but this is so cute. Today we're gonna be putting up the TV on the wall up here. And then I think I'm gonna leave this mirror here. I think it's super cute. What?
Oh, she jumped from down here on top.
I also got these lights in the mail today. We're gonna put them up in the living room because like I said, there's no lights up here. Like we never got them when we got the house. So we're gonna be putting these big light bulbs up here. It's gonna be so nice at night because we never have any light. We're just using the kitchen light that came with already. Caleb just finished putting up the lights up on the ceiling. Can't really tell because it's bright out and the sun usually hits around the house at this time. But right now we're gonna put up these mirrors, just one mirror up on this wall because I feel like it looked really good. Like before you leave, you could check yourself out like in the mirror because the door is right there. So it's just gonna look really good right there. We just got some boxes from Amazon. So I got these hooks with suction cups from Amazon. These are all from Amazon, but this is gonna go in the bathroom and me and Caleb's bathroom because we have the glass bathroom, whatever. This is the rug. How did this fit in this? These are the LED lights for the kitchen, so they're gonna go underneath the cabinets. A pet water thing. I got this highlighter, just like stuff in the office. I got the scrub mommy for the kitchen. Guys, look at the rug.
Look, you like the rug? Oh my gosh, she loves it. She loves it.
I got another scrub mommy. I got this is open, but I got this pink stuff toilet cleaner that is like pink. I already got it, but I ran out of the other one. These are like labels for kitchen stuff and laundry detergent and stuff like that because I'm gonna do everything in like containers and then just label it because I just think it looks more clean. I don't know. But these are like minimalistic stickers that I got off of Amazon. Gel dot to kind of not let the like organizers slide in the drawer because I took off the silicone thing and now it's like super slippery and every time I open up the drawer all the organizers just go in the back, so this is gonna make it stop. And then I got organizers for the kitchen and like the bathroom, and this is another organizer, and that's everything.
Is it tilted?
So I just got this bin out of one of the boxes that I already had. So I used to have this like to organize the bathroom. For now, I'm just gonna put all of the spray bottles in there because this honestly looks like a huge mess and I'm not liking it. And I also want to fill up this with more of that toilet cleaner, which I'm putting them in here. And then I also want to label these because I bought obviously the label stickers. I'm gonna put them on it, like the softener, the detergent, all that stuff. I feel like today's really just to organize everything. Before I start organizing it, I'm just gonna clean this and then also the inside of this. This is what I got so far. For underneath the sink, I'm gonna have all of the dishwasher here, and then I have like all the sponges in here. I'll probably get more sponges. It doesn't look like super awkward, and so I have like a bunch just in case I run out of them. Mel's like non-stop crying right now because Caleb just left to go pick up batteries at CVS, or I think 7-Eleven, just to like put these controllers to work. These are for the lights up there that he just installed. It's dimmable and all that stuff, and you can change the color of it. I don't think like purple or blue, but like the color of like soft light, white, whatever. So we just need batteries for them to work. This is not gonna stay like this for forever because obviously this is for the bathroom and this one's for the floor. I wanna do like separate ones so it's just not all like crazy cluttered. I'm gonna label these now and then put these underneath the sink. I also have this dry mat that I don't know where I'm gonna put. For now, I'm just gonna leave it down here because we're not using it. I just feel like there's too much on here if I keep it on like all the time. But anyways, I'm gonna fix this little mess right here. Guys, I can't even find like a label for this, which is a toilet like cleaning powder, but there's none of them. I've been going through it for like legit 10 minutes. So I'm just not gonna label this. I'm gonna put it in the bathroom. And then this I already got. So this one's the softener, which I honestly had trouble finding it because I thought it was just gonna be softener. I'm trying to talk fast because my battery's about to die. And then I have this laundry detergent. So yeah, I'm just gonna put everything underneath the sink and then I'll basically be done with organizing the kitchen, which this is obviously not gonna stay like this. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on kitchen organizing because this is not like exactly what I want it to look like. I want to have like spray bottles and like label them and make it look more aesthetic and like cute. So I'm gonna have a separate video for that.